How to add a timer to PowerPoint. Go on to File in the corner, go down the menu, Get Add-ins. You enter the store and type in timer. Press enter, and now you can see many options. So some of these you have to pay for. And you can see the ratings. So obviously the paid ones are actually better. So you can try a bunch until you're happy with one. So we are going to go with the easy timer. Press continue. And now I can choose what kind of clock I want. So this one will count down. I will go with digital. And just for the sample, I can choose minutes. But you can't fast forward it, so I'm just going to do 20 seconds just for you to see. And then I'm going to put a reminder of 5 seconds. You can choose ticking noise or no noise. I think it'll be very annoying, so I'm going to have none. And then we have an alarm. So let's press start. You can close this to make it hidden, and then make it smaller. And just put it in the corner somewhere. So those are my options. My reminder already came up, and that was the alarm. So this is kind of like a little reminder for everyone. And then you would need to get the attention of your audience. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.